Hey guys, welcome to a quick demo of how to install Jitsi on CloudJiffy. To install Jitsi, just go to our marketplace, search for Jitsi, give your environment any name, and choose from our various locations. We have Germany and France.
Once your deployment is complete, go to your DNS panel, create an A record and point it to the IP of the topmost layer. In this case, this.
Once this is done, to install SSL, go back and click on add-ons. Click on domain configuration and just type in your domain name. Once you go to the app, just give any name for the meeting and click on go. Once the meeting starts, just add in the credentials that was provided to you once the environment was created, and you're all good to go.